Hey guys, Kevin here from Hopefully Diagnostics. Very excited about this. We've got, we just received today our first of multiple orders for our customers for the Black Friday tablet deal that we got going on here, straight from the factory, the Kojali factory for Black Friday. So this is running till the 29th of November. Really awesome deal. Not often that we get huge discounts coming from the manufacturer for Jaltest kits, but Black Friday 2023 is your chance. So the deal, the big deal here is a Jaltest kit of your choice, whether it's CV, off-highway, agriculture, or any combination. There is a discount on a really big discount actually on a tablet. So there's a brand new Getac tablet that's in this box here. I'm excited to see it. I haven't seen one of these yet. It is brand new, 3-year warranty. They're giving it's a PX501 by the looks of it. It's a nice little handheld unit here. It's smoking fast. The only thing that I noticed on the specs that I'm not the hugest fan of, I mean, it's going to be great if you're just running Jaltest on it. If you want to add any of the OEM softwares, you're going to have to be maybe selective. It's 128 gigabyte drive on it. So not a whole lot of extra space. You can see it's nicely branded there. I'm not going to open this up right now. This is for a customer here, but it's got the Jaltest branding on it. Nice little handheld unit. Okay, I'm sure that there's the accessories in here, maybe a hand strap, something like that. Maybe it comes with. We'll see. Yeah. So there you go. We've got the hand strap for you. Right, so yeah, really cool. Awesome. Yeah, I'm excited about that, and a lot of our customers here are excited about the tablet. So on the CV kits, you're saving about $4,500 Canadian, right, on the package. You're also getting advanced technical support level 2 included in that as well. So it's the tablet, the kit, the standard Jaltest kit. So here's the Jaltest kit. Here, this is a CV package, so the CV package does not come with the multi-pins, but we'll open it up here. This is what you're going to get, whether you buy the Black Friday deal or not. This is what you're going to get with your Jaltest kit. So you get the carrying case here. And so there's the Jaltest carrying case, hard case for the V9 Link. Okay, so you've got in here, there's your V9 Link. Sometimes you get a little bit of swag in there as well. In this case, a lanyard. You've got your cable storage up top here. So we're going to have to outfit our customer here with any extra commercial vehicle cables they may have bought. But yeah. So the standard kit, this is what we typically are. You're typically going to get with your Jaltest kits, whether it's Black Friday deal or not. But yeah, the tablet deal, really good. Smoking hot deal right now. While supplies last, and again, still the 29th. This is going to be available. But yeah, piquing a lot of interest. We get a lot of guys that are, pulling the trigger on this because of the huge discount. Now is the time to do it before the end of the year here. So yeah, that's it. Other Black Friday deals we got going as well. If you got an old V8 Link, we can upgrade that for a discount as well. And then half price on the advanced technical support level 2 for any renewals this year. Alrighty, thanks for checking out the Black Friday deal here. If we can get you a quote or we can help you out or get you any more information on Jaltest, just give us a shout, 1-866-953-5338. We are happy to talk with anybody about the Jaltest system, get you a demo, get you a quote, whatever you need. Take care.